Could you tell us something about, the casting, which, this is the first time we are seeing such a unique cast? And
That's right.
so, could you tell us something about casting Sonam, especially for Dolly?
Yeah, I'll tell you. When the script came our way, obviously every film person goes through the process of who is going to look best for the film, what are people's availabilities, what is the image of the actors. So a lot of names are tossed around, but ultimately we realized that the best person for this role is going to be Sonam. And when we approached her, we made her hear the script, and we were hoping that she like it, and she has the date to do it. And we were so lucky that she loved it. Her answer was spontaneous, that I'm excited about it, and she had the availability to do it, and that was a great thing. And thank you very much, Sonam.
No, don't say that.
Because I think right now she's done a fab job in the film, and I think she's the ideal Dolly for my film.
Hi, Sonam.
No, that's where Dolly is concerned. Raj, when I must say one thing, when the script came my way, and we had not even cast for Dolly because we were in the process for casting, Raj's role, the director, me and the writer we had decided that ये तो 110% ये जो role है ये यही कर सकता है. Similarly with even अपना Varun, Manjot's character, we had decided that he's going to do it. In fact, Raj, so I told him even before, I said, I don't know when I'm going to come to you, but you're going to be part of this film. So he was very happy, and he said कि जब भी वो बता देना. But I was worried that शायद वे करे नहीं करे. But he was very magnanimous and gracious. He enjoyed the character, he enjoyed the role, and he's agreed to do the film. So thank you very much. And he has done a fab job. He's really contributed to the character, and he's taken the character to another level. Seriously.
We got to hear some nice, tricky dialogues. So how was experience, if you can define in few lines? And Luthari Dulhan, that's a new word we got.
Yeah.
How will you define that?
Okay, first of all, I need to thank Uma for writing such beautiful lines. Thank you, Uma. बहुत चटपटे lines हैं, सब बहुत enjoy कर रहे हैं. तो ये डायलॉग्स बहुत मतलब ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स और ऐसे डायलॉग्स बहुत कम मिलते हैं, स्पेशली फीमेल एक्टर्स को इस इंडस्ट्री में. और सबसे बेस्ट बात ये है कि अरबाज ने 2 फिल्में ऐसी बनाई हैं, दबंग 1 और दबंग 2. और जब उन्होंने कहा कि मैं डॉली की डोली बना रहा हूँ, तो मैंने कहा कि यार ये बहुत अमेजिंग चीज है कि द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ दबंग एंड द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दबंग 2 एंड द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ दबंग 2 वांट्स टू मेक अ फिल्म लाइक डॉली की डोली. And it's an exciting commercial film, and it's got great dialogues, it's got great actors, it's got great performances, and I've got the 3 most wonderful heroes in it, and I'm very excited and very privileged to be working with Raj, Varun and Pulkit. I mean, I'm not even half as good as them as an actor, and so it's an honor for me to work with them.
मलाइका जी, आपका भी आइटम सॉन्ग है तो ऑन सेंटर, तो हम जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस.
This is the 3rd time that I'm being part of our production, and 3rd time that I'm working with Sajid Wajid. It's always a pleasure whenever they give score music for our films. They are like a lucky charm of our movies, and I really enjoyed being part of this song. Again, I asked Arbaz, I said, "Are you sure? Phir se?" So he said, "Of course, I'm very sure." I said, "Are you very sure?" Yes. I said, "You have a big choice out there, but are you sure you want me only in the song?" He said, "There is no discussion. I want you in the song," and I'm really glad that I could be part of it. So thank you, Arbaz. Thank you, Sajid Wajid. I had a wonderful time shooting for this song.
We could see 3-4 avatars of yours in the film, like one was
3-4 तो नहीं करवाए, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा करवाए, मुझे पता है.
That is my question. Is like we saw 3-4 avatars. Could you just elaborate, like how many?
I've got more than. There was a point in 10 days when I've done 60 changes, 60 different people. So it's not that was just like a montage cut, but बहुत सारे रूप हैं डॉली के, और बहुत कम मौके मिलते हैं एक एक्टर को जहां वो इतने इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर, जहां मैं एक्टिंग एज एन एक्टर, I'm acting in a role. I can't explain to you. I'm an actor acting as an actor in this film.
राजकुमार, आई थिंक इस तरीके की आपकी पहली फिल्म ये होगी जिसमें आप डांस भी कर रहे हैं और काफी हंसी मजाक भी है, तो ये करना कितना मुश्किल था, क्योंकि आप हमेशा से सीरियस एंड.
मैं एक्चुअली बचपन से ये सब करता था यार, तो मुझे यहाँ पे आके जिस तरह की फिल्म्स आ रही थी मेरे पास, जो अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आ रही थी, मैं वो करता गया. फिर बीच में अरबाज सर ने मुझे बताया कि उनके पास ऐसी एक स्क्रिप्ट है, और तो मैंने सुनी, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं ज़रूर करना चाहूँगा सर. और फिर उसमें पता चला कि एक सॉन्ग भी है मेरा और मलाइका मैम के साथ है, तो थोड़ी नर्वसनेस थी. वो खुद इतनी अच्छी डांसर हैं, पर एक बार सेट पे गए तो बहुत मज़ा आया यार.